Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen, and today's video I'm going to show you how I'm going to transform a laundry room for my friend. It's a super easy DIY project and I want to show you what I'm going to do. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, like and comment. And now let me show you what I'm going to do with my friend's laundry room.
Okay guys, let's start with this project. And this is how my friend's laundry room looks right now before the renovation. So she actually already painted for me because before she have a yellow color, and also she already removed the washer and dryer, so I have more space to work here. And the first thing I did, I went to Lowe's to buy some wood because the plans that I have for this laundry room is to add some shelves, two wood shelves, long ones, and add some wallpaper. So this is the one that I choose from Lowe's for this project. Also, I bought two black shelf brackets to support the two shelves because I want to add some storage space for her in the laundry room. And the next thing I did is add some stain. I'm going to use one that I already have, but you guys can buy any type of stain or any color because they come in different colors. The one that I'm going to use is a gel stain. It's a little bit darker, but I don't want the wood too dark, so I'm going not to apply too much stain. And you can play with the tone that you want to give the wood with the stain. If you don't want it too dark, you don't put that much stain, just a little bit. So I think I like this color, and this is the one that I'm going to use because I don't want something too dark or too light. I think this is perfect. I love it. And I did it in both sides. And then all you have to do is let it dry, let it sit there. So I did it one day before I add the wood shelves to the laundry room. So you can do it one day before, that way everything is dry. Now let me show you the items that I'm going to be using for this laundry room makeover. Mainly all the items came from Amazon, and I'm going to share all the items link under this video in the description box. If you guys want to check it out later, it's going to be there for you. And then the other store that I went to buy some of the items, they were Hobby Lobby and Homestead. So, but mainly was Amazon. So the budget that I have for this laundry room is $300. Yes, just for $300, you can transform your laundry room into something nice and beautiful, and only in 2 days or one day. It took me 2 days because the first day I went by some of the items, and then also I stained the wood, but you even can do this in one day, just a weekend. And only for $300. So it's a easy DIY project, and the style that I'm going to be doing this laundry room is a boho mid-century laundry room. That's the style that my friend liked. So I'm super excited to do this laundry room because I never done that style. So I'm super excited. Now let me show you what I'm going to do with this laundry room. So now let's add some wallpaper to this laundry room makeover. If you're new to my channel, you probably don't know, but I love wallpaper. I try to use wallpaper in all my laundry room makeovers or bathroom makeovers because they look great in small spaces, especially laundry rooms or um, bathrooms. I love that. And this wallpaper is gorgeous. I love it. It definitely have that mid-century look. So I think this laundry room is going to look amazing with this wallpaper. And I bought this one from Amazon. It was only $7 the roll, and I bought four of them. So four of them for $7 each, and that was enough. To do this laundry room. So, and it's super easy to apply. This is a peel stick wallpaper. The new wallpapers are very easy to apply, so don't be scared to use wallpaper. It's not that difficult. And with peel stick, if you do something wrong, you can take it out and peel it back again and stick it back again to the wall. So they're super easy to use. The only thing that you have to be careful is make sure you match the patterns. That's all. This one was a little bit difficult to match the patterns, but I love the end result. It looks beautiful, and I think it's going to look great in this laundry room for this boho mid-century style. So the next thing we did, we add the wood shelves. So my husband helped me with this. So he did some measurements to see how long the wood shelves have to be so he can cut it. So this is what we're doing right now. He measured already the wall, and then now we're measuring those wood shelves, and then he would cut it to the side of the wall. So super easy. Now is the time to put all the decoration items together. And I bought this glass container from Amazon, and I'm going to use them to place the pops detergent and also the powder detergent. I want this laundry room to be functional, not just pretty but also functional for my friend. So most of the items that I bought here is the stuff that she's going to need for her laundry room, and also some decoration items so it can look pretty. So I'm trying to make both work together, like stuff that she needed and stuff that is going to look beautiful in her laundry room. So I have so much fun doing this project with my friend, my son, the whole family was here. It was a Sunday. We have so much fun doing this laundry room. It was a very good day. And now it's the time for the review. I hope you guys enjoyed this laundry room makeover that I did for my friend. I love it. It looks gorgeous. This is how it looks before the renovation, and this is after. I had so much fun doing this project for my friend, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. And everything was under $300, so super affordable, super easy DIY project that you guys can do at home. And I love this boho laundry room style. It looks amazing.
that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this laundry room makeover. I had so much fun doing this project for my friend, and I hope you guys like it too. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I see you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching.